G'day folks out there in YouTube land. Today the young fella and I are going to take the Harleys over to West Perth. Rogue Motorcycles, the Two Wheels One Love motorcycle show. It's a small gathering every third Sunday of the month. It's a beautiful day, so we're expecting several hundred, possibly 1,000 motorcycles. Join us up there and we'll check out the bikes when we get there. Well, here we are folks, we're out here at Rogue Motorcycles in West Perth. We've got a pretty good turnout here today, not too bad. Let's go for a wander and we'll check out some nice cool machinery. Don't have to be nice to anybody else now. No, that's Chief. The old school one. Oh, there's a lot of bikes here today. That's so quiet. I didn't hear it coming. Oh, what a lovely sleddy. $750 CP Yamaha, the only bike I ever dropped on a test ride. I had to promise I was going to buy it. There's a dealership in Sydney still waiting for me to come back with a deposit. 1981.
That's done. That's a little bit darker too. Oh, right. But like, fair enough.
Late 30s, early 40s, I'd say.
24 maybe on the number plate. Hand gear shift, right hand throttle, so you could fire a pistol while you're and not let off a gas. In the end. That's beautiful, isn't it?
Slow down a little bit on the bikes.
Oh yeah. It's different.
That's the foot pegs. Love those structures. A little bit of everything here today. Yeah. Hasn't changed the number plate in 40 years. Bars on the next day out. Clear clutch cover, rear set pegs. Ooh, fancy handlebars. That's nice, eh?
Isn't it lovely? A lot of time and effort gone into this one. Always wanted to do that tomorrow. Just lovely.
That's about as much fun as you can have without turboing it, isn't it? Three-quarter heads. Ooh. That's not a cheap bike. Black and silver, the only colour.
So fast.
I've had silver and black and silver. Folks, a quick walk around road motorcycles, two wheels, one love. Something for everybody, absolutely every type of motorcycle you can imagine. Lots of people here, all got the one thing in common, we all love riding motorbikes on a beautiful sunny Perth day. Shiny side up, see you on the next one.